नेक्स्ट कन्फेशन क्यों बोल रही हूँ मैं, assumptions है. नो, बस कर पगले, रुलाएगा क्या हैं? Hello, my precious people. What is up? Hope you all are doing pretty well. This is your girl Vin, and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Sassy Leo. Guys, today's video is all about me addressing your assumptions while I create this beautiful, wonderful, pretty makeup look for New Year's Eve. So please keep on watching. I just loved how this makeup look turned out. Very party appropriate, very bold and glam, yet soft and subtle. So yeah, and this is indeed extremely easy to create. So if you want to know how I created this makeup look, and if you want to know if whatever you assumed about me was true or not, then please make sure you watch this video till the very end. But before moving ahead, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I am the Sassy Leo, and I would also love it if you subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button into grey and hitting the bell icon besides it. Now without any further delay, let's just get up and get going. Alright, I am done with my skincare, and the very first thing I am applying is a primer, and apply karte karte I will be addressing your assumptions. So it's time for our very first assumption, which says that you don't have a real job besides YouTube. So guys, no, it's quite wrong. I have a real job besides doing YouTube. So yeah, that's that. Next one is you have OCD. So guys, I don't really think that I have OCD. By the way, here I am applying foundation. I can tolerate thoda sa agar mess raha clutter, so I can tolerate that, but I cannot, absolutely cannot tolerate unhygienic environment, because that is not good for our health. So yeah, that's that. So no, I do not have OCD. So yeah. Meanwhile, our foundation is also blended. Now moving ahead with our next assumption, that says you are a perfectionist. Kind of, yes, but I don't really think कि perfection achieve करना is possible. It's just that we can definitely try our best to do things properly, but हर समय perfection achieve करना is not feasible, I feel. By the way, I am extremely sorry for the construction noise. The people in my locality have literally gone mad. Each and everyone is doing one kind of construction or other. So yeah, sorry for the unwanted construction noise which is there in each and every video. So yeah, that's that. By the way, moving ahead to our next assumption, that is you get products for free from brands. This is absolutely not true, okay? I guess it has been a year or so that I have not got any kind of brand collabs, not even barter. Paid bhi nahi mila hai, barter bhi nahi mila, so no guys. That is why I keep asking you, please subscribe, please share. It is what it is, but it is not so okay I will stop making videos. No, we're not gonna stop, okay? Meanwhile, we are done with our blush. Now we are going to blend our concealer, and it's time for our next assumption, that is you think you are going to be famous overnight. Well, yeah, that is true, I feel, because literally happens कि आपका एक वीडियो एकदम वायरल हो गया and boom, you are all there. And for some people like me, I think कि it takes time, but yes, you get successful with one video booming up overnight. So yeah, maybe I'm wrong, but yeah, I think that's how the algorithm works. I hope it works for me quickly in 2026, so hoping for the best. Now next assumption is you talk to yourself in the shower. Huh? Let me tell you, not just in the shower, I talk to myself pretty much every time, okay? I am really of the opinion that sometimes you definitely need expert advice, and that expert is no one but you. So, yeah, yes, I talk to myself each and every time. Moving ahead to assumption number next, we have you check your subscriber count every 10 minutes. No, that's not so. Even when I had my 1000 सब्सक्राइबर, मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि मैंने 1K सब्सक्राइबर्स रीच कर लिए हैं, एंड मुझे आइडिया ही नहीं था बेसिकली. सो नो, दिस इज़ नॉट ट्रू. बिकॉज आई बिलीव कि किसी चीज़ के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा डेस्परेट रहो तो it takes forever to achieve that. So I just do my thing and leave everything to the universe. If I am meant to be, I will get it. We are doing contouring because why not? It's a new year, so definitely we will be. Assumption number next, we have you are an overthinker who has 20-page script for 5 minutes vlog. नो, बेसिकली येस भी है, बिकॉज येस आई एम एन ओवर थिंकर, बट व्लॉग्स एंड ऑल के लिए आई डोंट स्क्रिप्ट, बिकॉज आई फील व्लॉग्स आर सपोज टू बी very natural, everyday kind of a thing. So no, I don't have any kind of script for vlogs and all, but it's a very 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 true yes ki I am an overthinker. So yeah, I think each and every possible thing, be it positive or negative, मैं सब कुछ सोच लेती हूँ which is not even required, but me being me, yes, I am an overthinker. But scripting and all में मैं कच्ची खिलाड़ी हूँ, मैं scripting नहीं करती. Even for any videos, I am not a pro in scripting. So yeah. The next assumption that we have is you have googled how to get 1K subscribers fast at 3 a.m. Okay, so this is true because I literally took forever, like 5 years. बिकॉज कुछ गलतियाँ मेरी भी है, डेफिनेटली आई एक्सेप्टेड कि मैं स्टार्टिंग में बिल्कुल भी कंसिस्टेंट नहीं थी, बट कंसिस्टेंट होने के बाद भी आई टुक फॉर एवर टू गेट 1K सब्सक्राइबर्स. लाइक it was forever, and I think each and every content creator does that, because starting में तो आप छोटे creator ही होते हो. So yeah, I also did that, but nothing worked, literally nothing worked for my channel. Now I am literally seeing कि 1000 के ऊपर भी सब्सक्राइबर्स नहीं हो रहे हैं. सो प्लीज़ गाइस, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब. वी हैव टू गो फार अहेड इन दिस जर्नी ऑफ कंटेंट क्रिएशन अहेड. सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब, प्लीज़ शेयर, प्लीज़ लाइक, कमेंट, प्लीज़. Now starting with our eye makeup while addressing our next assumption, that is you romanticize your life like it's a movie even when you are just doing laundry. How true is that? Very 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 true, and you are very correct. I do that every time, like quite literally I do that every time, I tell you. And I feel everyone should romanticize their life, definitely, because why not? I feel living in a moment is one time kind of opportunity, if I make sense right now. The goal is not to live in the moment but to enjoy every moment, and romanticizing itself means that you are finding joy, happiness, magic in every moment. Like we are appreciating the time we are spending with ourselves, doing our chores and managing everything by ourselves. That requires courage, because आजकल हर कोई are seeking validation from someone, or they are seeking company, and we need to understand that everyone cannot be there for us every time. Like people have their things to look at also, they can't be present for you each and every time. So yes, I do romanticize my life, and I feel everyone should do so. Next assumption is that someone is saying you assume your first video will go viral because you use hashtags. The thing is, if you look at my shorts video, you will see that I use the same hashtags every time because I am in the habit of using hashtags. Okay, it's not that ki I am in the hope ki I will go viral. It is just because I have that habit to do so. And the next thing is that मैंने काफ़ी लोगों की वीडियोस ऐसे भी देखे हैं जिन्होंने सही से टाइटल भी नहीं लगाया है बट दे आर स्टिल वायरल बिकॉज algorithm again. Now I am not blaming the algorithm, but I am just saying it is all about my habit of doing so, and also it is about the algorithm that yes, I wish the algorithm makes me go viral really soon. So yeah, hoping for the best that 2026 is gonna be our year. And when I am saying this, I am in no way cussing 2025, okay? It was an amazing year for me, to be very honest, but I hope to grow more and more with each coming year. So yeah, we will work extremely hard for 2026 and we will definitely achieve our goals in 2026 and all the coming years after that. So yeah, next one is making videos is very easy. No, it is not. Making videos is not an easy job. I tell you, it is not an easy job by any ways. It is one of the toughest jobs because you know what? एक तो लॉन्ग फॉर्म वीडियो कोई देखता नहीं है बट कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स दे पुट देयर हार्ट एंड सोल इन वन वीडियो एंड जैसे ही एक वीडियो अपलोड हो जाता है थॉट्स कीप लिंगरिंग ऑन योर माइंड कि नेक्स्ट वीडियो कौन सा होगा. So no, content creation is not at all easy, okay? And to each and everyone who is saying content creation is easy, so starting में तो everything is free ना. You can grab your mobile phones and you can literally sit and make videos, है ना. So darling, आओ कभी मैदान में, बनाओ वीडियो and post करो. If you want to be consistent, you will see कि content creation easy नहीं होता. Moving ahead to our next assumption, and also we are pretty much done with our eye makeup too, and we are just applying mascara, which is the last step of our eye makeup. And next assumption is you are too pampered. Really, my dearest, whoever has written this, may I please know what made you think that? Like, you know what, I am the elder daughter. I wish I was pampered and you know what princess asks princess gets वाली theory मुझ पे भी काम करती, but no, it is not the case. Next assumption is you have no private life. ऐसा नहीं है and it is not the case with any creator, by the way. कुछ parts of life तो private होती ही हैं, so yes, definitely ऐसा नहीं है कि सब कुछ कैमरा पे दिखाना ज़रूरी है. Creators don't show tears and whatever stuff they go through directly on camera. So yeah, no, it's not that I don't have a private life. I do have a private life and I do not show the hardships I go through. So yeah, maybe one day, but I'm not comfortable showing it right now. So yeah, we are at the last step of our makeup and I really feel it is turning out to be so beautiful. By the way, I am applying lipstick right now. I am not gonna apply any kind of highlighter because हमारा blush काफ़ी ज़्यादा dewy है and I want to keep the emphasis on eyes. So I am going for matte lips and a matte base also. So yes, it's time for our last assumption, that is you are working too hard but not getting enough reach. अरे जिसने भी लिखा है ये बसकर पगले रुलाएगा क्या? This is very very true because yes, I feel now I am not saying कि मैं इतना hard work कर रही हूँ कि कोई creator कर ही नहीं सकता. No, there are people who work too hard than me, but yes, On my part, I am also working too hard, but I am not getting enough reach, I feel. So yeah, इसीलिए बोलती हूँ, subscribe, like, comment, share, please support. And done. Lastly, it's time to set our face. And that was our last assumption, guys. I will quickly accessorize this look and I shall meet you right then. Alright, my precious people, I am back and this was all about this amazing video, which was me addressing your assumptions. I really had so much fun sitting in front of you creating this beautiful look while addressing your assumptions about me. So yeah, that's it for today. So this is a wrap, you guys. It is my last video of 2025. Now I will see you all in 2026 and tomorrow is New Year's Eve and see how beautiful did it turn out. Hannah, you can definitely try it for this New Year's Eve party. And yeah, with this I wrap up today's video. With this we come to an end of it. If you like such kind of videos, then please give it a big fat thumbs up, share as much as possible, subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my socials, link in the description bar below. Also write down in the comment section what do you want to see next. Remember, your wish is my command. Until then, this is me, Vin, signing off. I shall see you all in my next video. Bye and Happy New Year's to all of you in advance from my side, okay?